Chairperson of the uh, Indian Olympic Association, Madam P.T. Usha, had joined us in the video conferencing today, where we have requested the Indian Olympic Association to allow or to give the mandate to Meghalaya to host the next national games. The next national games will be 2 years later, it is 2027, and right now it's going on in Uttarakhand, and we have appealed to her and to the entire association that we would like to host the next national games, and that is what the meeting was about. As you're aware that the necessary paperwork was done in 2018, but since then many things have happened. There was COVID, other games did not happen in other locations, so on and so forth, so the process got delayed. There are a few states who are there before us who have also applied, and we've requested that if we can be given a preference above, over the other states who have applied, because of the fact that we are ready and we would like to have it in 2027. So, Madam has has listened to our request. She expressed certain concerns and issues that were there, not from Meghalaya's point of view, but from their point of view, that the procedures have to be followed. And she suggested me to obviously approach Government of India also in the entire process. And so that is this discussion. I don't think I can go beyond that right now, but that is the crux of the purpose of the video conferencing that we had with Madam P.T. Usha today.
Thank you so much, sir.